Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Techno Spark model and ensuring battery above 30% to avoid interruptions. Open Settings and go straight to About Phone. Tap build number 7 times until you see you are now a developer. Once done, back out to Settings and locate Developer Options. Make sure USB debugging is currently enabled so you can follow the next steps. If it isn't enabled, leave it on until you reach the specific toggle we will turn off next. You now navigate into Developer Options and scroll down to the Debugging section where USB debugging lives. Once visible, press the USB debugging toggle to turn it off. You'll see a confirmation dialog asking to revoke USB debugging authorizations. Accept it. This step stops ADB access and revokes any previously trusted computers. Make sure to read the prompt before confirming so you understand which authorizations are removed. Then exit Developer Options to prevent accidental re-enabling. You finish by closing Settings and performing a quick reboot to ensure the change takes effect across the system. After restarting, reconnect the phone to a computer to verify no ADB connection appears. If the PC no longer recognizes an ADB device, USB debugging is disabled. If you still see access, go back into Developer Options and use Revoke USB debugging authorizations or Reset Developer Options to defaults. This clears saved trusts and resolves lingering connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.